turned cold and the stars look down, and you hug yourself on the cold, cold ground. You wake the morning in a stranger's coat, and no one would you see. You ask yourself, who would watch for me? My only friend, who could it be? It's hard to say it, and I hate to say it, but it's probably me. When your barrel is empty and the hunger's so real, and you too bright to bear and too young to steal, and you search the city for your only friend, no one would you see. You ask yourself, who could it be? A solitary voice to speak out and set me free. I hate to say it, I hate to say it, but it's probably me. You're not the easiest person that I ever get to know. It's hard for a boy to let our feelings show. And some would say I should let you go your way. You only make me cry, 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 cry. If there's one guy, just one guy, oh, lay down his love for you and die. I hate to say it, it's hard to say it, but it's probably me. Makes no sense, and there's only one voice that comes to your defense, and the jury's out, and your eyes search the room. One friendly face is all you need to see. Or if there's one guy, just one guy, lay down his life for you and die. It's hard to say it, I hate to say it, but it's probably me. It's hard to say it, I hate to say it, it's probably me. It's hard to say it, I hate to say it, it's probably me. Oh, I will lay down my life. Yeah. hate to say, whoa, 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 whoa. It's probably me.